Congratulations! You've made the decision to install a Craftmade ceiling fan that will deliver year-round comfort with energy-efficient, money-saving benefits. We have a few tips to help your installation go smoothly. A few important notes before we begin. If over 10 feet, check with your local lighting showroom to assist you in determining the correct length down rod for your specific ceiling height. It's important to confirm the power is off and your junction box is rated for ceiling fans. We recommend you review the installation manual for your specific fan and confirm that all the tools needed and parts for your ceiling fan are present before beginning the installation. The two main methods of mounting a ceiling fan are the standard with a down rod and flush mount, also known as a hugger, ideal for low ceilings. When using a standard down rod, secure the fan bracket to the fan-rated junction box using the lock washers and the screws supplied with the junction box. If your fan is a flush mount or hugger, your bracket will be a metal plate with a hook to support your fan during wiring. Thread the wires through the center hole and attach the fan-rated junction box with the original screws and supplied lock washers as shown. Once you have properly attached the down rod with hanging ball to the motor and tighten the screw set, lift the motor assembly onto the mounting bracket, ensuring that the guide pin on the bracket seats into the groove on the side of the hanging ball. If your ceiling fan is controlled with a pull chain, your fan will be directly wired to the power supply wires in the junction box and uses your existing standard wall switch. If needed, use wire strippers to strip the wires half-inch. Connect the fan wires to the power supply wires in the junction box using the provided wire connectors. Green to ground, white to white, and black to black using wire connectors. Secure all wires using electrical tape. Tuck all connected wires into the junction box. If your ceiling fan includes a remote control, carefully insert the receiver into the canopy bracket with the black and white wires on the same side as the wires from your junction box. Make sure none of the wires or antenna are caught in the bracket as you insert the receiver. To assemble a one-piece blade arm, identify the blade side you want seen from below the fan and attach the blade to the blade arm using provided screws and washers as shown. Some fans, like our Katana, include multiple-piece blade arm with blade plate assemblies that must be attached to the blades per the specific model instruction manual. Some fan designs do not have blade arms and instead require the blades to be inserted directly into a band that rotates around the motor, referred to as a flywheel, then secured with screws and washers. Many contemporary designs like our Sonnet have formed blades that attach directly to the motor without using blade arm assemblies or a flywheel. Simply attach each blade directly to the motor using the screws and washers supplied. Once all blades are assembled, attach each to the motor according to the instructions using the provided screws and washers. Ensure that all blades are securely fastened. To attach the switch housing assembly underneath the motor, loosen 2 of the 3 screws and remove the last from the motor plate on the underside of the motor. Align the slotted holes in the switch housing plate with the loosened screws. Allow the female plug from motor housing to come through the center hole of the switch housing plate. Lift and twist plate onto the 2 screws. Reinsert 3rd screw to lock. Tighten all screws. Connect the female and male plugs. Lift into place. Insert and tighten side screws to attach the switch assembly to the motor. Restore power and check to ensure fan is operating properly. Congratulations! You have completed the installation of your new ceiling fan. For additional help installing your wall or handheld remote controls, please view our ceiling fan remote control installation video. Installing a light kit? Our ceiling fan light kit installation video will show you how step by step. Please note, if you are unsure or uncomfortable working with electricity, please contact a licensed electrician or check with your local lighting showroom who will be happy to assist you.